Today's video, we are going to Walmart and I'm going to show you guys on how much does it cost to become a beginner angler in Pennsylvania. We're going to concentrate a little bit more on the trout side of the fishing because we have trout season right around the corner here in PA, and we're going to pick up some supplies. We're going to head to the creek in a little while and check out the different water levels and do a little scouting. But also a friendly reminder that we also have turkey season coming up. So we're going to bring you guys a couple videos on the turkey season that we have right around the corner. So if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the sporting goods section at Walmart. Well, we made it to the fishing aisle, and the first and foremost thing that you'd want to get, one of the first things you'd want to get, is a fishing pole. So we're here looking at some of the fishing poles, and we found one here that's $22.80. So here is a closed face reel, and this one is $22.80. Has a nice action to it, and this does come with some line. Or if you choose to, which will change your pricing a little bit different, you could go with an open face reel, which also comes with a nice little case here of a little bit of assortments of some different type of artificial bait. And this is an open face reel, which also has fishing line on it. So depending on those two items and which fishing pole you'd like to go with will determine the difference in price, maybe a few dollars. So then now, after picking out the fishing pole you'd want, I definitely would think about changing your line. And looking at the lines here, for trout fishing, I would definitely go with a 4-pound test, trilene, and that way the lines that usually come on the fishing poles already pre-sprung, spooled on the reel are usually a little bit heavier, but you go with a lighter pound test, and this way you could feel the fish hitting a lot easier and a lot sooner. So after getting the fishing line, which is $4.88, then we'll pick out some hooks. And looking at the hooks here, I would definitely go with maybe about 3 packs of hooks. And they are at $1 a piece, and this is size 8. I would use size 8 hooks as your bait holders. Then I would come over here to the sinkers and pick out 3 bags of sinkers, which I would go with a small sinker. And these are at 94 cents a piece, and I would go with 3 packs of those. And so now after you got your reel and your rod combo picked out, you got your fishing line, you got your hooks, you got your sinkers, and you catch a fish, what are you going to need to hold your fish? Well, then I would get a chain stringer, and these are at $2 a piece. You could go with the vest and a set of hip waders and stuff like that, but we're not going to go with that because this is just as a beginner angler to get you started into trout fishing, or just to get yourself some fishing gear. So after that, then what you're going to need after you all have all that, you're going to need some sort of baits. And looking at all the variety of baits here, you got some salmon eggs, you got some Berkeley power bait, and it comes in all different sizes, different colors. It comes in paste, it comes in marshmallow form. So I would probably pick up maybe 2 different types of salmon eggs. And these are at $4 a piece. And one of my favorite things to use is corn. When I get into trout fishing, I also like to use corn. So I'll pick up a can or 2 of corn and use that. And if you'd like, you could go to a bait store and pick up some red worms or some mealy worms, but that will add up to the cost a little bit. So after doing that, and the reason why I would go with those hooks as a beginner angler is I tie my own hooks, so they're not particularly the hooks I get, but we'll get into a later video on how I make my own hooks and talk about leaders and stuff like that. So, but the most important thing that you're going to need to get you started here in Pennsylvania as an angler is a fishing license. So let's go over and take a look at that and see how much that is. Right here on the side of the refrigerator, they had their listing of how much each one is. So, as me being a resident of Pennsylvania, the resident license is $22.90, and then a trout salmon permit is $9.90, which comes out to about $32.80. So, on top of the items that we got from the fishing aisle and tallying it up in my head, the total cost it would cost a beginner angler to trout fish in Pennsylvania is right around $80. And that's, like I said, not counting your fishing vest if you choose to get a fishing vest or a net or hip boots, which is really not necessary to start trout fishing. Well guys, I hope this video helps you guys out. Don't forget to smash down on that like button, hit that subscribe button, and remember to ring that notification bell for the upcoming fishing videos that we got coming out, because we are definitely going to hit the stream on the first day of trout. So till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll it. Wicked Fabz!